A new day means a new case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, thanks to TAC, who have sent out 2 of their new standard 3.0 cases. Down the edge they want you to think thin, and believe me, you will be shocked. So popping the case open and you're greeted with a little bit of information here about joining their community, their social link, and also a QR code that you can scan with your iPhone to jump to their website about quick, easy tutorial videos. Moving on to the case itself, it is unbelievably thin, and I'm going to talk about this a little bit more later on. All of the correct cutouts are in the correct place for your USB-C ports, your microphones, and putting your case in is simple and easy. A quick snap on and away you go. It adds a very minimal layer to your iPhone, and as you can see, the correct cutouts are in place. I just forgot to pop on that top corner there, but you can see your power button is raised and a tactile button. And coming round, you've got your volume controls and also that new solid button as well option with the iPhone 15 Pro models. So pressing and powering the phone on works really easily. A flick up and you can then control the volume. So volume up and down buttons works really well. And you've got that fixed button now, which I have got set to ring or silent, and you press and hold to change. One of the things I worry about with a new iPhone is scratching my camera lenses. Well, with the standard case from TAC, you don't have to worry about this as you're covered. It has a raised camera lip which offers a protection around your lenses. When being placed on any surface, this case is compatible with MagSafe and other wireless charging accessories. So that means just bring your MagSafe charger close by and it will automatically snap and lock into place and begin to charge for you. You can opt to buy the MagSafe Plus magnet, an accessory sold by TAC that you can use to attach to your iPhone case. This means that magnet strength is improved and means that alignment is made easier for the internal magnets to connect to your wireless charging MagSafe accessory. Also available in the Onyx Black and Arctic White, so you can colour match or alternate if you wish to. Here in the UK they cost £8, which I will link in the video description. Let's crack into some of those details. This case is available in Onyx Black or Arctic White. I have both colours here, so I'm very thankful to TAC. With a curved design that wraps around your iPhone and paired with a raised tactile buttons for your volume controls, your power button and that solid state button, that you have full access to all of your buttons and easy controls as I have shown. Crafted from a plastic material that is super thin at only 0.35mm. An ultra lightweight design which adds minimal layer to your iPhone, but adding a level of protection which is only necessary, I think, with an iPhone of this value. It only adds an extra weight of 6 to 10 grams depending on the iPhone you have. I have chosen to go for the Arctic White over the Onyx Black as it fits in well more with the natural titanium of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Well, let me know what colour would you choose. TAC have a range of cases for the new iPhone 15 lineup. Make sure to check out the link in the video description and use my discount code RW10 with an extra 10% off at checkout. All that's left to say is thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and ding that notification bell to stay updated once I upload new videos.